Episode 3! How much does an OFW need before quitting their job? So, my plan. People always say, just follow your passion. But passion doesn't pay my mortgage. Before I ever leave my job, I have a number in mind. And today, I'm going to share that number and the plan behind it. My goal is simple. I want passive income to cover my monthly expenses. Not just barely cover my monthly expense. I want a buffer, a safety net. Kasi, guys, you have to remember, dito sa UAE, yung isang paa natin is parang laging nasa hukay. Kasi yung pagstay natin dito, it's always attached doon sa working visa na meron tayo. Yung residency natin, it's always attached. So kapag nawalan ka ng work, mawawalan ka rin ng visa. Not unless meron kang property dito worth 400,000 and above. So makaka-apply ka ng investor's visa. Or kung meron kang 2 million and above, pwede kang makakuha ng golden visa. So, yun yung other ways for you to be able to stay here nang magkaroon ka ng ganong visa. Or yung iba, ang ginagawa nila, they buy freelancer visa, mga ganon. So, for me, I always make sure na kailangan handa ka. Whatever happens, dapat lagi kang ready. Lagi kang, kaya nga, di ba, it's always good to have emergency funds. So, dapat ang emergency funds mo is 3 to 6 months of your expenses. Paano mo malalaman yung expenses mo? Is your monthly expense, i-multiply mo yan ng 12 para malaman mo kung magkano yung full year expenses mo. And yung investments ko, dapat i-generate na yon, amount na yon, full year. So that, if ever I stop working, hindi ako mag-worry na, alam mo yun, mapapressure ka, wala akong trabaho ngayon, magmamadali kang makahanap ng trabaho, kahit hindi mo gusto yung trabaho, kukunin mo, or at least kapag alam mo yun, may safety net ka, pwede kang magnilay-nilay, ano bang gusto kong trabaho, ano bang gusto kong gawin sa buhay, gusto ko bang maging vlogger na lang, o gusto ko bang, alam mo yun, marami kang option, hindi ka pressured. Kaya, it's always okay, it's always best na meron kang emergency funds and meron kang safety net. That's very important. Okay guys, going back. How much yung kailangan ng OFW na pera before quitting job? So, it depends. Are you going to quit for good? Or you just want to quit for few months kasi burnt out ka na, sobrang stress ka na, ayaw mo na talaga yung ginagawa mo. So, you need to know that. Or, you're quitting your job for good, uuwi ka na sa Pilipinas, or you will stay somewhere. So, you need to know how much is your monthly expense right now, okay? Then, multiply that by 12. And, that is your full year or annual expenses. And then, i-times mo yon ng 25 years. So, normally, that's how they calculate yung retirement. Kasi kung ayaw mo na magtrabaho, uwi ka na for good, so ibig sabihin magre-retire ka na. So that's how much money you need for you to retire comfortably. So the goal is to reach the point where work becomes a choice, not an obligation. So freedom is not quitting your job, guys. That is not what you call freedom. Freedom is knowing you don't have to keep it just because you're financially trapped. Kasi ang hirap nun, 'di ba? Yung kahit na mabigat na sa loob natin, sige, tayo sa umaga, pasok sa trabaho. kahit na hindi na siya bukal sa loob mo, you have to go kasi kailangan mo yung sweldo mo kasi may mga bayarin ka. So, yun yung, kaya sinasabi dito na, kaya ka nagsisave, nag-i-invest kasi you want to buy back your time and you want to have freedom. Yun yung very important, is to have your freedom. Yung wala kang boss, magigising ka sa oras na gusto mo, gagawin mo. Wala kang schedule in a day. Wala kang schedule in a day. All you have to do, kung gusto mo lang maghiga-higa today, okay, wala. Walang tatawag sa'yo, walang magsasabing, no, hindi pwede, kailangan mo magtrabaho. Hindi. Kasi bakit? Napaghandaan mo na lahat ng yan. So, yun ang pinakamasarap na pakiramdam. Yung nakakapag-ready ka for your retirement. Early retirement, late retirement, as long as you are working on it right now. Go lang. Go lang ng go. So, for me, that's what I'm working on right now, is to have an early retirement, to have freedom, buy back my time, do whatever I want, whenever I want. So, I hope samahan niyo ako sa journey na to. Ido-document natin lahat-lahat, okay? So, as I've always say, this is a journey of an OFW trying to build freedom before the retirement, one investment, one business, and one lesson at a time. See you sa next video.